Hi, in lo dam vekem vo into Costco wholesale dorak shwai don chawa in lo enjoy nge ka base ya kan chungin kan bazar kan veng atang hianin darkar khat kalania hemi chunga bazar tur hian member lo tan chona theilo member ni tur khan thlatin poisa kan choi nga ya a chunga lian ema in lo enjoy vek ka base oh this kind is what we usually use at home, like just one. So, where's that? Maybe alone?
No.
But
Get boxes there if you want me.
what box?
I'm gonna get.
Oh, empty box. Hey, I'm unveil. Make this one also. Let me pour it. So tall. What's that there? That Christmas. The bolting
Yep.
up
We
there.
have one in the garage.
No.
Yes.
Basketball thing is so big.
What?
Tory said we have in our room like that.
You got that one in your room?
Up. Wow. A video lagi pinapindot ko. Wow, it's so cute. Look at that. Right?
Yeah.
Here. Roland. It's a Roland. How much is that? You have fun so far?
Yeah, that's awesome.
So much fun.
We get to go eat. Excited about that. Yeah, it's per pound.
There's two in
Here, Mom, what did you buy? Chicken.
The breast.
Pollo.
Chest.
Mukbang with Nana. Show me, Mom. Mukbang with Nana. The whole chicken. Roast. Kamukbang tour. Arsan lepung mo.
Hey, Tory, I won't have to make raviolis anymore. No.
Hey, Tory's favorite. This one. But he don't like ready. You don't like ready-made. You want your mom to make. Mom, what's that? Oh, I see.
Over there.
That's a steak you make, right? Pakat $2 so maniyahe. Tweetop helang mo.
Not that.
Alenzia. Mondo hirap hakso. Tawi.
Was it like this?
Is that bacon?
No.
No, this is. It's funny they make everything ready-made, right, Mom? Huh? Oh, this is what?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Yeah, they're wrapped with mozzarella cheese.
Yeah.
And this one is, oh, I love this one. Chicken breast niya. Hey mo, sticky na ron siyang sabik diyang yan.
Put it on the grill.
Yeah, you put on the grill. It's kind of cool. Hey, macaron. But they offer sweet, so we're gonna skip it. But I just want to show them, you know. Hey, ujias macaron parents siya. Macarons, masay. Hey, at kung look ito bang kamo, tisang hey. Hey, cheese tisang ang niya heng tehi ingi silaw. Ngay na vaklaw masay kalaw huwe mo medyo ito email vel to. Iha na plate top then later tisang kam tamo. Uy ha Tom and Jerry swak. Uy until Zorsan lom jaking mo yan uy yan top. Hey, lamain tom no te makan lakal zel don ni ju karon tilang zelang oh. I think I know you, Daddy. Yan ready-made. Anlaw na effect bukas lahat tahi $1 nga le di ano ya. Later kamo $1 $4 som trip di kan. Shrimp sang te. Ready-made tuna. Rong te bol pelo hey kan later pang inang kan oven kan da nga 8 hey mac and cheese te. What's that? Soup?
Chicken soup, yeah. It has the rotisserie style chicken.
Look at this. Hey ti hian rice te hi siam sa ve ko ma spring roll te po til oi noodle soup te po hey siam sa ma chu sel vak lawang te angai chu mo fresh hi lo chu sel ber hey when 1 ton noodle soup ti shang te mo oh samosa that's an Indian baby it has potato inside mom love it let me ask her I'm gonna take it I like it it's for breakfast mom look the one we had in auntie house with potato inside
Here, you want me to get one?
Yeah, I can get it from the top.
we can but how many pieces inside
16.
yeah that's perfect oh god my god I was literally it's cold I should not let my sweater fridge sunga hanga lutak oi ka mong te hi khong akong ring ka siya
The mango.
ansan siya kimo oh look at that all kind of juice
So we need 2 mangoes, Tory.
is it mango nectar
That is.
how many we gonna take Mark
I think
Daddy how many juice
2, I think.
hey he bandulot to ka mango juice he this one 5 oh
The April 24,
5 24 where did you see that
right here.
hey kan bazaar to kan nakal kwal sel don wow juice let's go drink almond milk hey what's that oh that's it hold it zawa lo ti ve hey lo mu mo zawa te lo ti you know your name
Yeah, that's where I bought John's salmon.
wow hey sa hang ya with this fish what
They're there right here.
wow
You want
how much that wow oh that's beautiful oh I love it yeah let's take it that's the last piece look at this mom that's funny
Yeah.
yeah but I don't eat it kay lawa kay tumasay lobster look at you what's that
Those are
Scallop.
scallops. So they're $6, so $1 a piece. Yeah, which isn't bad. So how many do you plan on eating? 1 a day?
I could do one of those. Instead of doing carrots, how much is the bag of carrots?
cheaper
99 cents.
Lalzo what are you doing shopping let's try mom
Tory likes dragon fruit.
it's so different that's why I want to try because I never seen this
Yellow is
color
supposed to be the best, or you can
usually they are red but this maybe it's different kind of yellow dragon fruit maybe we should try baby one here take it yellow dragon fruit it's so cute right baby you want
Do it.
no wow look at the Christmas tree it's so tall sang top uy sa rukles mo wow look at the price so expensive $1,000 for what it's not even fresh tawan niya oh hey dollar sang khatle di ju noi khatle ti man noi my country is 100,000 that's a lot right
remember when we went to the hotel and they had feather pillows?
medium I would never able to see it but do you like the color hey daddy hey bill kan pe meka at khop mai kam poi pui ko ngai lo ti ha mo bill pek na counter sang sang ni choi min tam to so busy
Yeah, behind us.
hey he mi apartment na niya chon to na hian restaurant Thai restaurant so kan ino kan vai khat kal tur ne kan la shala wang ting ye om ba to kan hungai mi ron zui trap ni
Thai restaurant.
What did you find? $100. Kapay hey jing za chara wow $100 $500, you can pay the bill. Look at that tree, so beautiful. Huh? Các bạn ấy cần thao bị tôi cần cân mà. Baby, did you see his thing? Do you see that? Huh? Ôi he thing cũng ngờ đâu rồi, he tại ngang cận tụi nè. Oh, that's one Bangkok Thai đi ha. Ngang cận tụi mình Bangkok Thai restaurant. Hey, nè, so wow, that's so beautiful, baby.
Yeah, no, this one.
Hey, Thai cho cái bụi đó nó cần luôn nè.
Seems to be a big.
Hey, can number niya 43 ano di na handa sa ika lang. Oh, look at your yellow curry, and that is having Vietnamese soup. And mom, how is it? Is it good? Hey, Walmart ka kan bazar kan hoto do na mo. Hey, let's zawa. Kan hoto na kan video din na enjoy kan ring and vlog pick lawa kan feel this song. Come on, we need to vlog all the stuff we're doing, right?
Oh yeah.